This is my roasting pan with a 24-pound turkey. It's a little bit too big for the pan, but I think I can still make it work with a bag. The pan I've used with vegetables, and you can see it cleans out great. It's heavy duty, and then, as I said, it's really easy to clean. If you have a smaller turkey or a piece of chicken, this is a really nice rack, and then you can lift it out with that piece, and it also comes with this flat rack as well. So I'm very pleased with it, and I think it'll even work for this massive turkey that I have.
Seems pretty thick.